Next, we'll be analyzing the results on your Ian scanner. First, you want to turn on the laptop and turn on the Ian scanner. Double-click the QUANTOPIC icon on the desktop of the laptop in the software section. You'll want to make sure the instrument is powered on by confirming the blue light in the front of the instrument is illuminated. If not, the power switch is located on the back side of the Ian scanner where the cables are. Next, you'll want to open the tray and insert your completed CSA plate. Make sure it clicks into place and is flat before pressing the button to close the tray, and that well A1 is in the upper left corner as shown in the image below. Once your plate is inside, you'll want to select the 12- part number for the plate you would like to scan. The 12- number is on the barcode on the plate. Now you can assign your wells by either selecting a plate layout that you've made in Excel, or you can set manually. There's more information in this in the user manual. If you're using a partial plate or positive and negative controls in wells other than A1 and B1, then you must assign the test type to each well. You'll click once to highlight the well of interest. Then you'll right-click to select the test type from the pull-down menu. You'll need to select either positive control, negative control, or sample. Select the Load Sample List button in the main screen if you already have an Excel file listing your sample IDs. Or you can manually select the wells by clicking the button Set Manually to scan or open up your plate layout. You can see the user guide, steps 3.3.6 for more detail. When you're assigning sample templates, you need to make sure that the positive control and negative control are placed in the correct location. The default location for the positive control is in well A1, as shown here, and the negative control by default is in B1. If you're doing a partial plate or have your controls in different wells, you'll need to assign these manually. Again, click to highlight the well and then select what the sample type is in the drop-down menu. When you're ready to scan, click the Start button in the software. The Ian scanner will begin by capturing an image of each well. Progress can be observed by the image acquisition bar turning green as shown here. When the image capture is complete, you will see all the bars turn green. We recommend reviewing the scan in the Validation tab before proceeding. If all the wells turn green and the bars are solid green, you have successfully scanned your plate. Occasionally there can be a problem in one of the wells. If there is a problem, the well will be highlighted in red and an error will pop up in the error log. You'll need to click on the Validation tab shown here in order to correct the spot placement. You'll click on the well that you'd like to view and you can observe the spot placement in each well. If you need to adjust the grid or a particular spot, click on the Open Validation window. You can then move all the spots or move individual spots to perform better spot finding. This can happen if there is a defect or scratch in the well or a piece of dust or something like this. When you're completed and you're happy with the way the spots are aligned, click Accept and Export Data in the next window. When data analysis is complete, the window with results will pop up. First, open the final result. It is an Excel sheet with a table with all the results of your samples. In this tab, you'll first want to check to make sure your positive and negative controls, shown at the top of the page, have passed. So you'll want to see pass, pass, pass in each one of the columns. The final result Excel sheet has a tabular view of all of your samples. The detailed PDF result shows individual results for each sample. All the reports are found in the same folder that opens when the scan is complete. These results will be available for viewing, and a shortcut is found on the desktop to look at them.
Well, I have details.